हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्टेप अप लाइफ्स। आज का वीडियो है एक मशीन लर्निंग बूट कैम्प के बारे में। थोड़ा कुछ बैकग्राउंड जान लेते हैं मशीन लर्निंग किस तरीके का टॉप करियर ऑप्शन बन रहा है 2022 एंड 2023 में, सो दैट यू आर अवेयर अबाउट व्हाट इज द ग्रोथ ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग in future, so that you can attempt and get through this boot camp and learn machine learning and apply for such jobs. Let's quickly get into the video for today, just talking about machine learning opportunities in the future. मशीन लर्निंग एक ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी निकल के आ रहा है। अगर आप देखें तो 21.17 बिलियन साइज मार्केट साइज है रिगार्डिंग ग्लोबल फॉर मशीन लर्निंग, एंड a lot of people are getting into AI and machine learning and disrupting a lot of businesses. Most important reason to understand this is that it is becoming more and more important for fast processing of large databases, round the clock operations and ability to improve and learn, and there are so many applications which need machine learning. That is the precise reason that we are talking about the new machine learning bootcamp that is launched by iNeuron. Today you are watching this video, you will get a 30% discount if you enroll for any of their courses. Let's quickly get on to the iNeuron machine learning bootcamp that is being guided by Krishna. Quickly, let's get into the information that you will get all throughout this bootcamp. Is that you will learn technologies like Python API database, statistical machine learning algorithms, ML models, as well as chatbots like Diagflow, Amazon Lex, as well as your journey will get from zero to a machine learning engineer. It is very important that if you are someone who's just graduating or you have just graduated, it's very important for you to get into this domain and learn from this bootcamp. Let's understand the fees for this bootcamp is 6,000 and it's starting from 27th of November, 8 to 11 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Doubt session is conducted 11 p.m. 12 p.m. IST Tuesdays and Thursdays. Let's understand what is the details of this course. Machine learning in depth, talking about end-to-end model deployments, Power BI, Tableau, machine learning master certificate, 150 plus hours of live learning, doubt clearing sessions, as well as assignments and projects are given for real-time implementation. Career guidance, interview preparation and assessment is included in this bootcamp. If you want to actually reach out to the distance and all information, the link is there in the description. You can click and definitely check it out. Python database, Python projects, pandas visualization, such topics will be covered. Tableau, Power BI. Requirements is just a laptop with connectivity. No background specific requirements are there. Course curriculum will include introduction to data science, AI, machine learning, and application in day-to-day basis. Also, there will be few installations required which will be guided to you, and you will have introduction to Python, strings, as well as list and similar such topics. These projects have been led by Krishna, who has been a person who has more than 10 years experience in data science and analytics, as well as Sunny Savita, who has AI enthusiast. So I would suggest to you that check out the link in the description, and if you like such videos, subscribe to the channel, comment your thoughts, and do check out this machine learning bootcamp, because the future is going to have machine learning as a big vertical. Thank you so much and bye bye.